kailangan nagagastos every time na lalabas. Are you happy?
I need help.
You need help.
When I use my umbrella, stop raining. Salamat. Bye-bye.
And I only wish for one thing, to grow old with you.
Good morning guys. Today is Monday. Dumating si Mama kagabi and I'm so happy kasi marami akong magagawa na hindi ko nagagawa kapag kami lang ng kids. I have to go to the bank. I have to drop off some parcel. Hopefully maka-edit ako and then I'll do a little bit of grocery shopping. So yung agenda natin for today. So I'll be using itong mover. Ang ganda naman ng ano ko dyan. Hi! For today, mag-vlog tayo. So, manda ka.
Believe me, I never got invited to any parties. I just sit out from the in crowd and stay within my boundaries. I'd hang with my friends and it was great. We'd go out but not that late, and I really love it, never want to change. But sometimes I can't help but think, am I missing out on something I don't have? Cause I don't wanna give up being good to be bad.
Where are you going?
I'm going to see Teacher Ayay.
Not Ayay. Aya.
Ayay.
British.
Teacher
Going to
Ayay.
You're going now?
Teacher Ayay.
Teacher Aya. You gonna play?
Yeah.
Yes.
Mommy, come inside. Take up your shoes.
Mommy can't go inside, only AA. Mommy will sit outside with Lily. Okay? Huh?
Mommy, I need to take up your shoes and they're playing.
What did you say?
Why all the time when I use my umbrella, it stopped raining? Well, it was just raining and then I used my umbrella, but there's now no more rain.
Rain na, no. I don't know too. Sunduin natin si AA. Come on, Lils. Good morning! Good morning, guys. Morning walk ulit. Tinanghali kami ng lakad so hindi namin inabot yung pandesal. So, buti na lang si meron doon na nagtitinda ng ice candy at saka nakalimutan ko tawag dito eh. Ito oh, paborito ko din to ng merienda noon eh. Ayan. So, si AA, kahit na wala siyang pandesal, may kinakain siyang snack. Si Lily, nag-ice candy. Ayan. Gusto ni Lily yung yung ice candy na mangga. Si AA naman, in fairness, kinakain niya naman. What are you doing? Run faster, bye! 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 I got this eh. I can't run properly. Ready? Steady? Go! Come, run! Wow! Wow, nagpiko pa. Gotta go! Run!
I need a hug.
You need a hug. Oh my gosh, my babies need a hug. So hot. I think it's 9:30. Nasa panghali na kami. Nag-walk always na yung mga kids. So, we'll probably just take it slow heat from here. I don't know, where are we going? We actually need to go to the groceries din naman to get some bread para sa toasty nito and for our picnic later.
You need to bring out your binoculars and look for a perfect place for our picnic.
Yeah. And we need to buy some snacks.
And mommy,
Yeah.
but how about the cloth? Angela.
I know, the cloth that I brought the other day, I spilled coffee on it. Doing?
Yeah.
You wanna jump? Okay. Hold. Yay!
More prickles.
Yan, napagod ka dyan na. Diyos ko po. Mami, hold your hand. Ayaw magpahawak. Oh, wow. Go to the shop.
Hi, Lily.
Come on. You wanna hug Lily? I can't carry you because mommy's gonna... Lily, carry you and no turn around. Whee! Dito tayo sa grocery store. Wala na tayong panglaba. Gusto ko tong cherry blossom. Ako natanggal. Sorry po. I'll use this. And we also got some wipes. And bread. Tapos tomato ni AA. Chocolate spread. Come on. Time check. It's 10:30. So, good luck sa pag-uwi natin. Mamaya. Buti lang nag-sunscreen ako sa face. Sa katawan lang hindi. So, malamang yan. Magtatan tayo. Which is okay lang naman. Let's get this one. Kasi this one, 2 wipes na siya. 200. Tapos may free pang maliit na wipes. I'll get this one instead. So, ito mga to, nilista ko lang yung mga kailangan namin. And then, we'll just get some fruits. Apple or orange? For later. Apple? Come on.
Let's run.
Let's run. Mag-run daw kami. Come on, let's hot. Ay, naku po. Kailangan pag may anak ka, kailangan talagang fit ka. Para sasabayan mo sila sa takbo, sa lakad. Ang init mga mi. It's 11 o'clock na. Nabot kami ng tanghali. But at least, nabili ko yung mga kailangan from the groceries. Makakapaglaban na ako. Since naubusan kami ng, naubusan kami ng detergent. Nabili akong detergent. Kapaglaban na tayo. You want to cut it so it's easier for you? Here you go.
Thank you, mommy.
Enjoy.
Yum. I'm going to eat you. Yeah. Yeah. Give me your head. Stop shooting the hole. Your head. I'm dying. Stop. Shoot. Oh. It's a monkey. I will keep you.
Way para sa aming first ever picnic.
Yeah, the first ever.
Look left and right. Okay. First ever, huh? Tinali ko yung hair niya
We're close.
kasi medyo mainit.
Mommy, I think we're close.
Yeah, we're close.
Alright.
Excited yan siya.
I can do this one.
Still a little bit wet. It's okay. Really?
At least I got my animals.
Yeah.
I got sandwich. Mars. Casey.
Ayan, medyo late na kami, kaya medyo madilim na. Pero nag-enjoy naman yung kids. Come here, wear your shoes. Good job. Good job, anak. But this is nice. Parang I wish we have like bigger mat para makahiga-higa tayo. Pero well, hindi rin naman pwedeng humiga-higa kasi mga kids eh. Kailangan babantayan mo sila kahit ano, hindi mo sila sundan basta nakamatsyag ka. Doon si AA sa likod ng iguana. Iguana daw. Iguana ba yan? Parang hindi man iguana yan, laki. Careful! Sandwich?
Do you have my animals?
Ay, Zeus talaga. No, you eat it. Play. Go, play. Yung gusto ko sana mag-relax ng konti, tapos i-namnamin yung pahinga. Pero naiisip ko na agad, yung lakad namin pabalik. My gosh, ang layo ng lakad namin kanina. Well, kayo ng maga, from 9 to 11, and then ngayong hapon, hindi ko na naurasan, pero malayo-layo din. Pero parang ano lang naman, saglit lang, parang mga 20 minutes or 15 to 20 minutes yung lakad din papunta dito. So, ganun lang na, 15 to 20 minutes lang din pabalik. So, kaya naman yan. Sana lang wag akong biguin ng tsinelas ko. Kasi medyo ano na siya. Malapit lang. Are you happy?
Yes.
Ito yung sinasabi ko guys, na hindi naman kailangan nagagastos ka every time na lalabas ka. Kahit pa sa BGC kami nakatira, we always bring some snacks para sa mga bata. That way sigurado kung malinis yung pagkaka-prepare ng food. Plus, mas, mas convenient na hindi ka na mag-aantay na seat, hindi ka na mag-aantay ng food kasi ready na siya. Ang dinala pala namin, naubos na yung sandwich, and then we still have Big Mac. Paborito nila to eh. Maliit lang yung dinala ko kasi nga since may sandwich sila, sabi ko, pwede ko na silang subuan ito. Ah, yeah. Tomorrow, maybe. Do you want me to remove your hair tie or are you fine with that? You're fine. You want water? Hindi ko pala nadala yung juice nila. I forgot to bring your juice.
That's fine.
You sure? Wanna drink water?
Polar bear?
Where's polar bear then?
The polar bear!
Yeah, we can play the hero like it's a jungle. You wanna play like it's a jungle?
In the jungle, the polar bear!
Yeah, the polar bear is in the jungle down here. The leopard is in the jungle. Roar.
Ah!
And the rhino. I'm the rhino. I'm gonna get you.
Frozen yogurt!
Hey, frozen yogurt?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go.
Wait.
Lakad kami. Hanap kami ng frozen yogurt. Pero ayoko na ibilin yung black kasi pag na dumikit siya sa damit, ang hirap tanggalin. May mancha pa rin ng black na yogurt si Lily sa damit. Uh-oh. Careful! Oh, ginawa na nilang slide. Careful! Ala, sige, ginawa nyo ng slide yan. Aray ko. Okay.
Can I see?
Yeah, sure.
They
Give it to
spelled
A.
my name wrong.
It's okay.
Salamat! Bye-bye! This is the best perfume yogurt I ever tasted.
Is it? That's my favorite. Can I have some? Have some, Mama. Mama, have some yogurt.
No, no. Yeah!
I know, sharing for Mama. Thank you, babe. Malapit na kami sa bahay. Let me just say,
The fishies are back.
this girl can really walk. She can walk far. I will be complaining, ang sakit na ng legs ko. And then she's like, I can still go. Iba tong
That's
batang
why
to.
I prefer walking, not scooter
know what's crazy? When we started like going on walks here, she would always complain and say, my legs are tired. Are we there yet? Can't believe we made it. Lakad pa rin siya. Oh, here. Come on, kids.
I know in summer this is my body was
My father loves. My father loves
mama.
my mom.
You're my better half, a part of me through and through. And I only wish for one thing: to grow old with you.